Hello everyone, welcome to Test Automation Studio. So in this video we are going to validate the form which we submitted in previous video. So let me create a test-ng method here. So I have a class here, validations. So I'm just adding public void validate get code, and very first thing I need to do is I need to create a WebDriver instance. So I'll write WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, and the next thing I will have to uh, maximize the browser window. So I'll write window.maximize, and my next step would be driver.manage.timeout. I'll write manage.timeout dot implicitly wait. So it is duration of 30 seconds. It's more than enough. Now I need to get the URL. So let me get the URL. I need to copy from the browser. So yeah, here it is. Okay, so the initial setup is done. Now I need to assert the data. So we have all assertions from here. So first thing is I need to assert the title. So I'll write get title, and what is the title? Not this one. I need to find the page title. Yes, this one. So it's a validations. Okay, so next thing is I need to assert the full name. So let me get the locator for full name, and it is display name. So I need to write driver dot find element by dot id, then my locator, then I need to call the get text, then I need to give the value here, my expected value. Now it is going to be similar for the next all assertions. Again I'll write driver dot find element by id, and the next one is email. So let me get the email, let me get the locator for email. So what it is display email. So let me copy this and let me paste it here. Okay, again I'll call get text. Okay, and my expected value here, and it is test@testing.com. Okay, so the next one is phone number. So yeah, so let me get the locator first. It's display phone, and I will write the same code here. Assert equals driver dot find element by dot id, and the locator here, and I'll call the get text. Now the value, the expected text here is 1234575678990. Okay, then the next one is service type, and it is consulting. Okay, I'll display service. Assert equals driver dot find element. So in this video we are using all the locators as id, but in the future videos we will use some different locators. So we'll try to use all the different locators in future videos. Okay, so the last one is driver dot find element by id. Again, this is the project details. So the locator is display details. Okay, again get text and the expected text. Okay, finally all the assertion is over, so we need to quit the driver. We don't need this driver instance anymore. Now before running this, I need to make sure that I have already submitted the get code form. So I need to first submit the get code, so I need to run that first. So I need to go to the get code test, and I need to run the get code test first. So let me run this. Okay, so browser is open. Okay, submitted successfully, test is passed. Perfect. So now I can run the validations test. So let me run the validation test. Here it is. Let's see. Browser is open. Okay, validation is finished. So validation test passes.